Welcome guys to this magnificent prosperous live stream. We're about to start in just a few minutes. We'll first wait for more of you to join. And in a few minutes we're going to start, and the agenda is pump.fun coins, Dexter coins, and perhaps even moonshot coins if you happen to find something interesting. So feel free to show any coins that you want. Just make sure to point out the market cap of the coin, as well as is it a pump.fun coin or a radium dexter coin, just to mitigate any possible confusion. And let me know, most importantly guys, whether the live stream actually works, because the last few times, like 3 times actually, we have had connection issues for some weird reason. Yes, let me know if everything is smooth, everything works, camera, microphone, screen sharing. Let me know guys, and we're going to start soon. Keep in mind to do your own research always, none of this is financial advice. We are going to be looking for plays for you guys, because each and every single live stream we happen to find one or two good plays, literally every single live stream. Unless the market is very dry, which it has been recently. So that might be an issue, but we oftentimes find nice plays on our live streams and we have a nice track record. I'm going to pin a quick live chat message just for you guys, so you can take advantage of the free resources from my channel. It's going to be in the live chat in a few seconds actually. It's the free course, pump.fun course, 40 minutes of beginner level content. So if you're a complete newbie, this would be really helpful. We also have the Discord where I'm active daily, where you can ask any questions that you want and where you can actually connect with the rest of the community. And finally, Telegram codes channel, where I actually don't drop that much codes at the moment, because again, the market is kind of dry. But as soon as the meme coins are going to have another wave, the channel is going to be extremely active. So you can join it already. You should definitely, if you already haven't. So welcome newcomers. We're going to do just one more thing. I'm going to shout out our live stream in our Telegram course channel. And once again guys, if you're here, please quickly let me know if this stream is running smoothly, because the last few times the stream has actually crashed and there have been some serious connection issues for some weird reason. And also, if you guys want to show coins, which you absolutely can, if you want me to analyze the coin, if you're already in or looking to get into a coin, yeah, drop me the name, drop me the market cap most importantly, and whether it's pump.fun or radium dex coin. That's very important, so we can keep the stream organized and mitigate any possible confusion. So we have now done the shout out. Welcome everyone. We can now properly start, and we're going to start, I think, with pump.fun coins or dex screener coins, because there is one issue with this new platform Moonshot, which is by the way developed by Dex Screener themselves, and the issue is that the coins on here for some reason have been just rock pulls back to back. So every coin that I'm opening on Moonshot actually ends up rocking, and of course it's foreseen, so I can open a coin and I'm like straight away thinking that it's going to rock in just a matter of time. So that's the issue with the platform. It's still quite new, but there are already 5k new coins created on here literally every single day. I'm just wondering, where are the legit ones? pump.fun has 10k thousand coins created every single day, so Moonshot is actually kind of close to pump.fun already. Have you created a token before? Not for the purpose of pumping it. I've done a coin, actually like 4 coins, just to test out how it works. Not for the purpose of pumping, just for education, and yeah, just to see how it works really. I got hacked twice on Moonshot for first for developer total profit, then different one for $10. Yeah, I mean the Moonshot coins are just straight up rug pulls for some weird reason. So let's keep our eyes on pump.fun for now. And if you have guys some shoes, they're very, very welcome. I'm going to speedrun the coins. First, I'll open as many coins as possible, like which are of course interesting. I think like about 5 coins maybe. Didn't mean to open this. We have like 4 coins now. Let's just find only a few more. This one looks interesting, and I'm looking at market cap and replies. So I'm looking at those two things. This is already very high up. Actually, we can open this because if this goes to Radium, it's going to be another opportunity. So we have quite a bunch of coins now. I guess we can start looking at them. And this is just 8.8k. So this is just a complete gamble straight away. But still, let's take a look. I mean, my first issue with the coin really is that this meme certainly has been there before. I mean, it's by no means original, right? So hundreds of potato coins have been done before. So there is this issue. But if there is a website, I'm willing to take a look at this and research it further for sure. Because, I mean, this profile art, this looks great. This looks handmade. I mean, this looks AI. Clearly, this is AI. But this right here looks great. And the website does look great. I mean, this AI image as well. So a sign of low effort, but overall, the website does look better than average, that's for sure. So 45 members, 1 in the voice chat. Yeah, I think the issue with this coin just straight away is just that it's way too early. So this coin could perform, but we would have to wait for at least $15k in market cap, because then we will be able to examine the coin properly, since the signs will be way more clear once the coin is at $15k in market cap. So it's simply way too early. So this one is right now at 15k. The chart looks good, has those small high lows, definitely looks bullish. That we can tell right away. Volume looks more or less consistent over time. If you open 5-minute candles, it's kind of consistent. Yeah, this looks great for sure. No website though. Kind of low effort art here. I mean, the dog clearly is like a picture, a real picture. It's not really drawn, you know. Lily is my neighbor's 14-year-old dog, Chihuahua, that is missing nearly all her teeth. So there is some thought put behind this coin, but we have seen quite a bunch of those in the last like 5 days actually. So it's nothing we haven't seen. The idea isn't really original. The dog is. It's someone's neighbor's dog, like it's not really Google dog, Google picture. That is great. But it's just that the thought, the original idea isn't there. So 73 members and 24 are in the voice chat. So this changes things for sure, because the community is very active for a 15k market cap coin. And they're talking that DEX is prepaid here. Community made a website, so we shall find the website because I couldn't. Dog is too ugly not to send. Let's quickly take a look at the checkdex.xyz. If you guys don't know, it's a new website. Actually, not new, it's been around for months to my knowledge. But yeah, I just found out about it like a week ago. It just recently became popular. And here, basically, it will give you an instant feedback whether a DEX screener payment has been made for a particular coin or not. So you have to copy paste the address of a token to this right here, and it will tell you whether DEX is prepaid. And that's $300, so it's obviously a sign that I'm looking for, that's for sure. We now should find the website because the coin looks promising since the community is very, very active. For a 15 kilo market cap coin, 23 people, 25 people in the voice chat is kind of good. And the website is there, but it's really simple. It's very, very simple, but acceptable. Now, let's take a look. The thread section, about average size, I would say, and the corner is at 17K. So do your own research here, guys, but from the chart, it looks great. Now, consistent volume, also a big sign that I'm looking for. And volume is consistent here. And the community is active. Bubble map looks clean. So this coin could be a go, for sure. This coin could be a go. I don't see any red flags, that's for sure. Website is average, thread section average sized. So it's about like average coin. Average coins, is it enough to perform? Because it doesn't really stand out completely. Like there is nothing special about the coin, but yeah, I could see it sending for sure for like a 2x, maybe not to Radium, but some performance we could definitely be seeing from this coin. Now this is kind of high up at $26K in market cap. It's kind of high for a coin on pump.fun. So my issue with this is just a picture, If it's someone's real dog, not from Google, this would be better, of course. But in my opinion, hand-drawn things perform the best. So what I don't like right away is that the thread section, very, very small. It's for some reason very, very small. So I would assume that the community isn't big either. And there was volume in the beginning, but then it completely died out. It's for sure an issue for me. 84 people, 18 in the voice chat. So compare it to the previous coin. Previous coin was at 15K in market cap, went to 18K, but it had like 50 members in the group to my knowledge and 25 people in the voice chat. Like this coin's community is slightly smaller than it should be because its market cap did go as high as like 30K, this all-time high. So I wouldn't get into this coin. We could look whether it's going to break through this resistance because those levels actually work oftentimes on pump.fun coins, believe it or not. But if you have seen the previous live streams, you know that coins still sometimes respect those levels like resistance, support, psychological levels especially, like 25K, 30K, 35K, basically the round numbers. This is just a downtrend here. I wouldn't really be looking at a coin with such a chart. We can clearly draw this downtrending trend line even, which is just been following, bouncing from it. This coin has no volume whatsoever, looks like a complete truck pull. I'm going to skip this coin. And welcome everyone, welcome Smiles, welcome Sergey, welcome Smokey, welcome Glitch Android, welcome everyone. So this coin went to Radium. I opened this coin because I saw it go into Radium. The chart, acceptable for sure. There is someone holding 16%, which might be the Radium migration. But let's take a look at the coin actually on Radium here. Radium Authority Wallet. That might have been Radium Authority Wallet. At 90K right now, the volume 34K, And usually, like 50k more or less is great. So it's not quite there yet, but 50k would be a great volume in the last 5 minutes for a migrated coin from pump.fun. Let's keep an eye on this for sure. 100k. But in the dry market, those coins are even more likely to actually not perform. So right now it looks bullish. It's definitely on an uptrend, that's for sure. But I like to wait 10 to 15 minutes when the coins migrate to actually wait for some kind of structure. Wait for the first low to be established because most of them die when the first low is formed. It just keeps dipping, you know. So for me, it's important for the coin to have a proper low. And then you got to look at the volume at that time as well as for a higher low. Basically, you want to tape into a confirmation of an uptrend. There is something on my keyboard. Yeah, this coin, I wanted to take a look at this before. This one as well, the developer is live streaming. Let's take a look at this one. This one too. And this one. So we have 5 new coins, I think. This one is at 10k dollars in market cap. Been here for quite a while, for about 6 hours. Volume is more or less consistent, that's great. And most of the coins we can see right now are just either cats or dogs, so we still have that meta going. The website is very average, I would say nothing really stands out. There have been burns. Thread section is large, this is what I really like. Let's take a look if DEX screener is prepaid here. Oops, I don't know what I did. I actually copied it instead of pasting. My bad. Let's properly paste the contact address. So the DEX screener was not really paid. That's unfortunate for sure. The earlier the better. At 15k is a good time to prepay the DEX screener. So 100 members here, 7 in the voice chat. And admin has some nice message, like I like when they have structured informative messages pinned. They're always good to read. To learn about the team, who are you buying into? Because buying a coin also means buying basically having faith in the team, you know. So Game.com listing was bought, 1% was burned. Volume bots, very good, very important, have been running permanently. What's to come? So this is to keep people in suspense, to give them something to look forward to. Very good. DEX will be paid before King of the Hill at 26k, so that it is paid when people from King of the Hill come in and see us. Good. Top 3 holder, find a premium trending at 80k. Alright, so they have some kind of plans. They're not really that active here. I mean, Voisha just has 5 people, but it's been here for 6 hours. Yeah, we can't expect an active voice chat on this particular coin. But at 10k, I would still wait for this to go up just a little bit here. Just to basically break this sideways movement right now. Because it's just consolidating. And at 10k, it's very dangerous. It can drop another 50k down and then it's back to baseline market cap. And it's an issue, you know. It's just that it can die very quickly. Hence, I would like to wait till the coin is more established. So I would want to see this going up just a little bit. Perhaps even match this resistance, the all-time high. This would be great. Just some more momentum. This coin has no momentum whatsoever, no volume, no nothing. This as well, just this chart I would say it's very bearish, not really doing anything, just constantly downtrending, and the volume says the same. This one now is a chart that looks way more attractive. So this chart is looking like it's reversing. I mean, it is reversing completely. Great. There is consistent volume over time. This is very, very good. Probably bots working. As you can see here, that's good. And let's take a look. This is from a cartoon. So not really original picture here, and not even the meme. But yeah, inspired by the ultimate trio of neighborhood hustlers. It's a cartoon meme. This might be handmade here just for this particular meme coin, but this looks like it's just taken from the cartoon. Correct me if I'm wrong on this, but yeah, this does look handmade here. Maybe, I'm not quite sure. But yeah, website, about average. About average once again, nothing really stands out here. So we have been showed some kind of a coin in the live chat, AMC on Ethereum. We are keeping it Solana only. I'm sorry to disappoint you guys, but we are keeping it solely on Solana. So 32 people in the voice chat, 150 members, very, very good. They are obviously very, very active. DEX is paid here. I do want to verify this for myself very quickly because the coin does look attractive from the chart, from the size of the community. It all looks good. So DEX is prepaid here, that is nice to see. Thread section very abundant as well. Developer is live. And yeah, so far I can't really see any bad signs here. This coin like passes all the checks. Now, can it moon? That's always a question you have to ask, right? The radium threshold currently, based on Solana's price, it moves in correlation, is 60k. And this at 20k. So the most you can win here is 3x. This is good. 20k market cap is like the last time you want to enter. It's like the last market cap that you want to get into. So it's acceptable. And indeed, there is a resistance if you guys are looking at those levels. And of course, if I don't follow the levels, I mean support, resistance, psychological levels, sometimes coins follow on pump.fun, sometimes don't. But we do have this support level right here. This is the zone where people sold and bought this coin, as you can see here. The first all-time high. Then this was like a crucial level right here. People bought this dip, it fell through. So we're potentially looking for an entry here. It's about at the level actually, just like 5%. So do your own research here. Yeah, about 10% to go. Do your own research. And none of those coins really will come back to those levels precisely, So they might more or less aim towards the level, but it might cut short or it might go through the level for a bit before actually reversing. Let's take a look at this one. But yeah, so far we do have some coins which are interesting. This we are waiting for 15k market cap just to go a bit higher, break through this sideways movement. This potentially, and yeah, just 2 coins for now, which look more or less great. Is not handmade. Yeah, if it's not handmade, if it's from a cartoon, so we're talking about this coin, then yeah, it would be kind of bad here because they have loads of things on the website and nothing really is original. But even this, do you think that this as well is not original? Like those, I know are from cartoon. I mean, those are the other characters, of course. But is it like a replica or like a direct copy paste is a real question. I'm not quite sure really. I'm not quite sure. So this at 26k is kind of 26k is kind of late to get into, as there is no volumizer. So it's an issue for sure. I think we're skipping this coin just for that reason. We can take a look if the DEX is prepaid here. And if it isn't, we're skipping the coin for sure. There was no website either. So DEX is prepaid here. That is great. There are burns too. CTO. Let's take a look if the developer hosts. Yep, he does. Let's take a look at the Telegram. Let's see how active is the community. 180 members, but barely anyone is active here. Just 7 people in the voice chat. It is just another dog trend, so it's a classic meme, which they all use. I mean, the classic idea. I would just skip this coin because of the lack of volume. The volume really looks poor here, and the coin is kind of new, it's just 3 hours old and already has no volume. I'll skip this coin. So let's find something new. We have this coin left. Let's take a look at this coin before we go for a new search. Ball map looked good. The website, I would say, is very low quality. Kind of a nonsense website, really. Below average, that's for sure. It's certainly below average. I'm getting Shield Anon in the live chat. I'll take a look in just a little bit. "62 members with 25 in the voice chat." That's quite active. That's actually quite active for like 13k market cap coin. Just 13k. That's very good. This is a great community. Now we do want this coin to ideally go a bit higher and not form a lower high here, because this would invalidate the structure. And as we can see here, I mean, lower low might just form right now. So right now we wait. If lower low forms, the pattern turns bearish for the short term. So yeah, oftentimes it's just that you have to wait. Once you open a coin, you basically wait for some certainty on the chart, for example. Just wait for some certainty before aping, just to make sure you never force a trade. So I promised to check out this Anon coin. $22 days old, $300k in market cap. So it's quite established. I mean, 22 days old is quite reputable for sure. And looks like it's pumping right now. That's great. I mean, my issue with those kinds of coins is that the chart has no structure, right? So you just have to do the background research, the website, the socials, how active is the community on Telegram. This is what's going to be your main indication whether to get in or not. But analyzing the chart, you can't really tell anything from this. So there is no structure. The only thing I can draw here in terms of TA would be this resistance level, which it might follow. Something like this might happen, Like it goes up for a stronger push and then comes back down to this resistance, now the support level, and this would be your confirmation for an entry because you're trading in the bullish direction. The volume doesn't look too good here. Yeah, it's just that you have to look into the socials. From TA, it's really inconclusive, and I can't really tell you whether it's a good coin, unfortunately. Here on Dex Screener, let's take a quick look. So which one? I assume this one, 1 month old. So make sure to clarify the market cap as well when you guys show. If it's this one at 15k, unfortunately it doesn't look good. It looks completely dead. So someone showed Karma. Let's take a look whether it's a coin. I didn't quite understand. But let's take a look if it exists. Yeah, I don't think there is a Karma coin unless you can clarify which one is it. So Holland coin on pump.fun, another show. And this one at 8.7k. Clash of Clans coin. And it's this football player and Clash of Clans meme. Looks clean. Thread section. There are people talking for sure. I wish there was a website because I can't really see a website. So DEX is prepaid. This would be really bullish because the coin is just at 8k. And the earlier the better because at 8k the developer needs to make $300 back before he rocks people. So if he intends to rock pool, then he would have to wait for a higher market cap. And the DEX is prepaid here, that's great. $73 people, just 2 in the voice chat. Yeah, they're not really that active, unfortunately. I would wait for a higher market cap. DEX prepaid is very, very good. But as you can see here, it's pretty much doing nothing. At 8.7k, it goes down 30% and it's back to baseline. This is my issue with the coin. I would just wait for this to be a bit more established. Just like with this one, you know. Exact same thing. So what happened with the chart here? Why is it like this? So there was a sell-off, alright, so it did form a lower low. So yeah, let's take a look where it's going to go. Really uncertain about this structure right here, about this coin at 15k, because we learned that this is not original whatsoever. And it's an issue. If it's a copy paste, it's certainly an issue. Even though all the other signs were spot on, they were all looking great. Like the community, the thread section, it was like a full package, just one issue. No originality in the meme. So this right here has more or less consistent volume, as we can see. And it's playing this Billy's trend here. So silly, Billy's twin sister, kind of a good try. But we have seen this before, right? We have seen this coin before. Have I joined the Telegram earlier? Let's take a quick look, because I've already forgotten actually. Yeah, they're quite active for the size. Certainly active. Their own researcher, guys. The DEX looks to be prepaid. Let's verify this again if we have not yet. If we haven't yet. And if it's prepaid, this certainly would be a good play. Not prepaid at the moment, but they are very active, so I'll keep the coin open for sure. I think the meme is great. Billy's twin sister, silly. And Billy, yeah, Billy had a magnificent performance. So there was a perfect dip opportunity on the Fibonacci 0.786, if I can recall it correctly. And it's still pumping. Like this basically resurrected the dog meta. And yeah, those were the dip levels you can see here. And we actually drew them on this stream. So we have a major, huge support level right here. And this was the first perfect dip I think I was talking about, which literally went 3 to 5x, as you can see right here. Those two as well perfectly touch the level. I mean, not perfectly, because the level is right here, 0.786. This would be the perfect touch, which it touched right here. But anything in this golden pocket is a great entry. So yeah, right now looks very bullish, very strong, right at the resistance, but we can see lower lows being formed, which makes the short-term trend bearish. Just for the short term, the overall trend still looks bullish for sure. I mean the long-term trend. Let's open just a few new coins. I can't look at Billy, I faded it at 400k. Yeah, this would be very unfortunate. I mean, it went crazy, but yeah, there are opportunities every single day, and it's only a matter of time till we can find a new Billy type of coin. It just will take some time. Yeah. So we have 3 coins now. Let's take a look at every single one of them. This, just from the chart, I'm going to skip. Sometimes you just look at the chart and you think like it's not really a great chart, you know. This as well at 22k, but completely artificial. This is 100% some sort of a scam, a rug pull for sure, because there is no real interest. Maybe in the thread section, slowest pump ever. I don't think it's organic though. I don't really think it's organic. Even those messages, I've been noticing them to be fake quite a bunch recently. Quite many developers now go as far as faking the messages with different wallets just to create this artificial demand, artificial interest, which is fake. It is hard to identify from the comments. It's just that you have to look at what ways they're written and what they're saying, and you look at the chart. And if the chart clearly looks unorganic, you can quickly draw this pattern in your head that it is a scam. First edition Mishi CTO, and it's Mishi in this card, Curious Overload Money Gun. Might be interesting for sure, because Michi is trending. Michi had a nice recovery, but someone is holding 14.5%, and it's the developer, so there is that issue right here, and another wallet holding 10%, so 2 people hold 25%. It's a big issue. This is certainly a big issue. The thread section is very, very huge though. Very huge. And they look legit here. Let's quickly take a look at the volume of this coin. That's also very important. I mean, the most simple indicator, the volume, can tell you quite a bit. This chart looks good. I mean, it's on a continuous uptrend like ever since launched for the last few days. Actually, just one day. It's about 1 day old. And those are bumping transactions here mostly. Let's take a look at this website. Average, I mean, worse than average actually. Below average because there is nothing really to look at. It's very, very, very simple. Not special at all. Plans before Radium Microbuy bot, good. Burn at 15k, good. Dex payment at 20k, good. So their plans are great. They look prepared. Let's quickly take a look at whether this DEX is prepaid here. Whether it's prepaid. This would be a good sign if it is, of course. If not, this would be quite bad. Because the coin did already reach 20k, like almost. And that was their promise, right? 20k to prepay. Currently, yeah, I mean, DEX is prepaid. DEX is indeed prepaid here. Let's now join the Telegram group. So we got the Karma link in the Discord from the live chat. We'll go to Discord in just a bit. 144 members is great, but not really that active. But it's because they're slow mooning. So we have to look at this size right here, and this is great. For the market cap of the coin, it directly matches. Like there is no divergence that the community is less big than it should be. It's exactly matching. For 18k is slow mooner. About 150k members is completely in correlation. Completely in correlation. Just really uncertain about the meme actually. Can this perform? It's a CTO, so there was an original meme of this, which we also have to research, you know. So this wallet has 2k followers. And if this is legit, it's huge. If this is legit. And they do have a track record here as well. They had this one coin before called Jack Inu, which happened to go to Radium. Let's take a look at when exactly. I mean, it completely dumped on Radium, but it's completely acceptable because that's how it usually goes. 120k is the all-time high for this coin, which means the developer does have some sort of a track record. So Michi will keep it open, this Michi CTO. Actually, I'm not quite sure where it went. Did I close this coin? Let's open it again. Michi CTO something. Looks, from the signs, it does look like it could perform. Market cap was 18k, quite large thread section, the community is large as well. So we'll keep Michi CTO coin open. Now this, I'll close right away. Just from the chart, looks like it's completely bearish. Let's quickly open the Discord, which you should definitely join, guys, if you already haven't. And we have a shield called Karma in the pump shield section. And it's a section where you guys can find coins, plays to jump into, or actually show your own plays. Let's wait for this to proceed. For some reason, Discord always takes some time. Let's wait for this to load. In the meantime, we will search for something new. And if you guys have some shows, it's a great time to show something. This coin about Radium level, that's great. Let's take a look. And we had this coin also dog with motion, and this as well is motion dog. So it's some sort of a quick trend that we spotted right here. Both of the coins went to Radium, but this one dumped. Looked very bullish, but as I told you guys, you got to wait for the first low. And now it established a low, and does it look bullish anymore? And really doesn't. I think it's a dead coin. So you always got to wait for the first low. You always got to wait for the first low. This one will go to Radium soon. We'll take a look at this later. We have this coin right here, Yummy or Jammy. Let's take a look. And I opened this one just a hat. Quite up in its market cap. And this coin's chart looks very nice just right away. The power map, let's take a look. Completely clean. No website, that's unfortunate. Dex prepaid, people are saying that. Let's then verify this for ourselves just to be sure. Can you take a look at that? Yes, sure. Just make sure to tell me whether it's actually on DEX or pump.fun. AMC and Ethereum, we're sticking to pump.fun coins. Pump.fun coins, Solana coins only. So just Solana chain. People were saying that DEX is prepaid on this coin, Yummy Jammy, but there is actually no DEX paid according to the tool. And this looks like a scam because we opened this right here, the Yummy CTO, and this actually wants me to use their bot or something here. As you can see here, like chosen on Solana. It's Solana's bot. Not sure what is wrong here then. It's Trojan's bot on Solana, which I, by the way, use as my main Telegram trading bot. So we need to find the real CTO link here, because it doesn't really work. And a bunch of people now run this sort of a scam where they paste a bunch of CTO links in the description, in the thread section, and then the bot actually asks you to log in with Telegram account, and it's a scam to drain your wallets. So if you ever get a link which opens the bot which asks you to log in, never give your details. 25 people in the voice chat, 50 people in the group. It's quite active, but it's a CTO with only 50 members in the group, so it's very little members, and the market cap is 30k. So there is a divergence here that this market cap should have like 150 people or at least 100 people at the bare minimum in its group. I know it's a CTO, but it just needs a better number of people in the group, that's for sure. And it's just 2x potential here at most, which is an issue. But if this dips down, we will keep an eye on this for sure. Because Bitcoins, when they dip down, they oftentimes recover, you know. This one is now on Radium, very good. We need to look at the volume, and 50k would be great for a migrate coin, but we can see some kind of a weird chart here with no volume whatsoever, just 10k volume, and already rock pulled actually. So yeah, we're skipping this coin, it's completely dead. Now this one is interesting because this actually went about 50k dollars in market cap, and high cap market cap coins, which have great huge all-time highs, if they go down, they usually bounce back. on those psychological levels at like around 10k, sometimes at 15k, they have like one last bounce. So we could see something like this happening here, where the wave doesn't quite go for like the proper ascent to radium. It won't really reach its all-time high again, but it will have one final bounce. I mean, that's usually the case. So let's see if this happens with this coin. And we got to look at the community, because is there anyone to buy the dip in the first place? And I can see a big issue here. 68 members only, and none of them are active here. There is no voice chat at all. So it means that people might not even be looking to get into a dip here. There is no community to buy the dip. So this coin might be different and actually not go for another wave. At 10k, let's see if we do see a bounce, but for this particular coin, I do have no such prediction. I think it's going to die. As you can see here, you might be thinking that you're buying the dip, but the dip really keeps dipping literally all the way down. So dangerous to trade the falling knife, that's for sure. Let's open the Discord now. And there is our server, as you can see right here. And you should definitely join, guys. I mean, there are loads of um, good, good sections here. Thank you for the show. We will quickly take a look at this coin on the DEX screener and see if it's something worthy. Still not quite sure which one is it. Actually, yeah, we copied the entire thing, so we just need this. It's in pump.fun, so I can see pump.fun is the end. Let's go to pump.fun. Let's search for the coin there. Volume looks like it's here. Yeah, volume is there. It's just that the transactions are quite large time period apart. But it's been here for hours, so this is acceptable. $22k in market cap. Let's take a look at the Telegram. Yeah, we've already examined the coin before, right? Because I have this Telegram opened here. And I don't quite remember what I said. But looking at it again, I mean, just as a chart, does this have a website? Did we have a website? Dex is prepaid here. I'm just not really sold on this idea. I mean, those coins are just really identical. Every single one, like this one, Yami like a cat picture, dog pictures, is basically all the same trend. And I don't see those coins pumping that much anymore. I mean, the trend runners, coins like Billy, who set the trend, they're going to pump the most. The front runners, but the trend followers, which are following the trend days later, like it's been a trend for like a week, so they usually just pump to radium at best, at best. So the meme really has to stand out, since there is such a large competition. So we could see a bounce here happening, as you can see here, from 10k to 15k. Already 50% bounce is for sure something to look at. I mean, if the volume happens to continue, then this very well could go for another wave, for a smaller one. You can see people buying in with quite large transactions. That's great. And it's all about looking at the momentum. So once momentum stops, once there is no longer any volume, then it's a sign to cash out. At least for me, when I trade the second wave. This one might be interesting. Let's quickly take a look. And the chart does look great here. And I do like this volume, which it has been having recently. Looks very, very good. Thread section, very, very small. Not really many people talking there. "53 members only, 12 in the voice chat." I would say it's just very small. It's very, very small still. It's very small. DEX should be prepaid as they were claiming. But yeah, 15k market cap coin should have like 75, 80 members or so. So 50 is quite low. And DEX is not really paid on this coin. So this has potential, but not right now. Not really right now. Karma, I'll actually skip. I'll skip Karma. We'll take a look at a new show. Whitmer on DEX screener. $15 ago. And that's a great, already 800k dollars in market cap. This coin has some, I mean, it's established coin. Should have some structure. Just wondering if it's a pre-sale because the pump was crazy in the first minutes. Now, do the levels work here? Does the Fibonacci work? And yeah, this particular coin does have some structure, as you can see here. This bounced back more or less from the best, like my favorite level, 0.786. It was a nice reversal for a tiny bit, for like a 2x right here. Here again, and it rejects from this other level. Great. Now, whenever a coin goes down below this 0.786 level, they usually have a very hard time recovering. Right now, you can see higher lows. That's great. The 1 hour volume is 100k. This coin is interesting for sure. 1k holders, the more the better. 1k like is at least what I'm looking for when it comes to $1 million in market cap. It's just good for the distribution. And coins, the coin won't fall this fast if something happens to go south, because there are loads of people holding the coin, you know. There was nothing today, every coin I checked on forum was a rock, sniper bot, etc. Yeah, it's the same thing here. Like when I'm looking at coins in the recent 3 days, I've been just seeing rock pools or not really interesting coins. There is not really any trend going on at this moment. Like we still have this dog cat coin, Meta. However, this is what usually people come back to when there is no narratives at the moment, you know? Even the pride narrative, just the big narratives, which also Euro, UEFA Euro football tournament, I thought is going to be a narrative. But yeah, those narratives aren't really adopted for some reason because the market is dry. This is my issue with the market. So there aren't many plays in a day, you know. I just barely find good coins anymore, just in this current state of the market, you know. So 500 members in here. I would say it's uncertain as well. I mean, the community does not look too big, it doesn't really look that active, but it's recovering, and I mean, it already did some exits. My strategy with this particular coin would just be to wait for actually this to go back up, which might sound weird, but then I would be looking at those dip levels once again, because it did follow and respect those Fibonacci levels, so it can do it again. So I'll just wait for this to go up and then keep looking at those levels. This would be the strategy how I would approach trading this particular coin. And actually, guys, I'm going to end the coin searching. We are going to have some fun here for the last 5 minutes before I actually end the live stream. So we have this premium subscription in our Discord, as you can see here, which comes with daily calls, more or less 3 calls a day, depending on the state of the market. There is the online course, 2 hours pump.fun course, covering literally everything there is about pump.fun. And you also, of course, get affiliate link. And the purpose of this, the objective is to make your money back. And I'm going to run a sale here for 20% off for about 5 minutes before I end the live stream. And after this, I'm going to raise the price back to 47 as it is right now. So it's just an opportunity for you guys to get into this program, this subscription, for 5 minutes before I end this live stream, if you have been thinking of doing so. And I'll drop you guys a promo code for this if you want to check this out, which is going to be Nick Live. And you basically use this at checkout, and this is for the first, we can do 5 or 10 people. Let's do for the first 5 people. We'll get a 20% discount right here. If you guys want to take a look at what kind of codes we have been sending here, you guys can join the official Discord. And I've sometimes been showcasing some plays which we have had in the announcement section. For example, we call this coin Diamond at 300k for the exclusive members with a subscription, and it went to $4 million all-time high. That's like 10 to 15x, as you can see right here. This was the call on 17th of June. Then 2 days later it went to 1.4, and then 23rd, I think, yeah, 23rd, it went to 4 million. This was one of the most recent plays. Then we've also had this right here, we called out Horny at 300k. It went to 1 million in just a few hours, as you can see right here. And this was like a second wave play right here. I just saw the volume coming in, made the call, and a bunch of people made money. And of course, most people make money back with just 1 or 2 calls here. And we have more or less 3 calls daily. This as well from 630k went to 2 million. Now, don't get me wrong, we do also have losses here. We do take lots of small losses of 20 to 30%, but it's about winning in the overall picture. It's about the big picture. You just have to win most of the times and not all the time. And so if you want to take advantage of this promo code, what you would have to do is copy this right here, and then as a checkout you apply it right here, Nick Live, you click apply, and this should give you 21% off. And after I close the live stream in like 2 to 3 minutes, this opportunity will be gone. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask in the live chat, but this is just for you. Is going to go for 37 and then back to 47. If you guys have any questions, let me know, and take advantage of the free Discord as well. I mean, we have loads of people right here who are making money just in this technical analysis section. Like we have a magnificent guy called Warney. I'm really grateful to have him here. And he's trading with people here literally every single day. He has been trading for years and he's profitable on literally daily basis. Like if you join the Discord, the free one, you'll be able to see this for yourself. And he's trading with people. There's usually like 3 to 4 people following him, his trades, his calls in this section. So join the free Discord for sure. And if you're already here, check out this section because this section is where the profit is made. And you as well can contribute here if you know what you are doing. But yeah, Warren is here every day for like a few hours a day and he is profitable every single day, which even I am not. I have losing days myself, but he's profitable literally every single day. Somehow he's very, very good. He's a wizard, really. Warren is very, very good. And yeah, I'm going to run this for just a few more minutes. Alright, just a few more minutes, you guys can get 20% off this subscription where we have daily calls. We have literally daily calls here depending on the state of the market. Sometimes we have just 1 or 2 per day, sometimes actually nothing. But if the market is great, we have 5 per day, for example, or even more. But average is about 3. And we have the pump.fun course, and people sell courses for $500 or like $1,000, and it's worth it if you make your money back with the course. And of course, here I want to just give the opportunity to you guys learn this for free on the streams through my videos. But also this would be the next step, this subscription, if you just want to invest in the knowledge and just reinvest your profits which you have been making with the trading. And the promo code is NickLive. I'm now going to end the live stream, guys. Thank you all for being here. I appreciate you watching. I wish you guys a magnificent, prosperous day. Stay fun, stay profitable, and come back tomorrow because I'm going to stream again tomorrow. I just hope that we have some more excitement, some more fun, some more coins to cover because we have just a few coins every single day, just like a dozen coins, and then that's it. Then you have literally looked at everything, you found every interesting coin, and just there is nothing really to look at. Thank you guys for being here. Hopefully tomorrow we have some more prosperity